Meaning of the English idiom, so far so good. We say so far so good to express satisfaction with the way something is progressing up to the present point in time. Matters are progressing well up until now. So far so good is often a response to a question about how things are going. For example, I heard you got a new puppy. How is his training going? So far so good. He's really a smart puppy. More examples of how to use so far so good in a sentence. How is your new website doing? Asked Karen. So far so good, said Ron. Hi, Dr. Patel wanted me to tell you that the surgery is going well. We see nothing out of the usual, and this is shaping up to be a textbook case. So far so good. We expect an excellent recovery. The vaccine is in its final trial and so far so good. Origin of idiom. This idiom was first recorded in English in 1721 in James Kelly's Scottish Proverbs. So far so good. So much is done to good purpose.